palace of Obiezoku, the people who are working together with every Ghana. And it's our turn to cut the new year. And we'll do justice to win. Of the balance of community in Ghana, the people who are working with basic in Ghana, and it is our turn to traditionally cut a new yam. Alright. And tradition allow each year according this new year with 5,000 Ghana cedis. 5,000 Ghana cedis. That's what we're using to call this new year. Because this is our tradition. If you are cutting the new year, you must sow a seed into the new year. When you sow that seed, God will multiply whatever you sow a millionfold. And each year are sowing a seed of 5,000 Ghana. We are cutting this year, and when we cut it, we will eat it and have life and good health. This year will nourish us and give us good health, and give us wealth, and give us happiness and joy. In the name of the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit.